Mabait akong tao, pero nag-iiba ang ugali ko kapag nagagalit ako. Kaya minsan, pinipilit ko na lang tumahimik. Ngunit ang lahat ng kabaitan ko'y may hangganan. Lalo na kapag inaabuso. Sometimes we just want to go back to being kids again. No pressure, no stress, just pure happiness and simple days. We didn't worry about tomorrow. We just lived in the moment, laughing and playing without fear. Life felt so easy back then, and even small things could make us happy. Now everything feels faster and heavier, with so many thoughts and responsibilities in our minds. But even in this kind of life, we can still find peace if we choose to slow down and see the good around us. That childlike joy is not gone. It is still within us, waiting to be felt again. Happiness is always there, just waiting for us to choose it.
Walwal days. Grabe ang init.
Naman kay number sa akong Gcash, di ba? Ano ba? Sige ma. Aha. Hello.